you guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. Today I am back with a little Uniqlo try-on haul. So this was actually requested from one of you guys, I think maybe two, but I'm not sure. In my, I don't remember what my previous haul was. I think Quince, some of y'all requested a Uniqlo haul, and it just so happened that I wanted to check out their recent collection that they just launched, which was a collaboration with J.W. Anderson. I specifically knew that I wanted to check out the pants. I had seen the jeans all over TikTok, like just being a very like loose fit, but just like a raw, like rigid denim. But when I got in store, I loved everything. So they do have limited supply still online, but I wanted to try on the jeans in person to really see, because I had never tried Uniqlo's jeans before. I've been shopping at Uniqlo for a very long time though. Back when I lived in Japan, I shopped there often, and I still have some of their pieces. Their pieces are very high quality and reasonably priced for sure. And they just opened a new location in the Galleria Mall. So I went over there on Friday and definitely tried on some stuff. So I will insert the clips of me actually trying on things in the fitting room, and also a couple pieces. I think there were three pieces that I tried on in the fitting room that I decided not to get. And I'll tell you why. Let's start first. I actually got the wrong pair of socks. I want to get some more colored socks, so I'm actually gonna return these because I ended up getting 8 to 11 and I'm like a 6, so 6.5. So these are gonna be way too big for me, but they also had a lot of other colors. I was in a rush because I had to go pick up Arlo from school, so I was just not paying attention when I grabbed these, but I definitely want to pick up more of these. I think they're like they're $3.90 for a pair, but you can get them like I think 3 for $11 or something like that. I don't remember what it ends up being. Maybe it's 3 for $11. I'm not sure, but I want to definitely get some more colored socks like this. I think it's a fun way to add kind of a pop, especially if you're wearing kind of cropped jeans or wearing clogs or whatever. I thought that would look cute, and these are nice little socks. So not too thick, but not too thin. So I'm just going to exchange those and probably pick up some other colors. But specifically, I loved the detail on a lot of the pieces from this collaboration. I don't know if you can tell for this first piece, it's got like a monogrammed type of thing. So it says JWA, which stands for J.W. Anderson. I have already worn a ton of these pieces, so a lot of them don't have tags on, and I actually had to wash one because I spilled something on them. But this first piece is, a lot of their pieces also, I should know, are unisex. So this first piece is a unisex piece. A lot of their stuff is oversized. Y'all know I love an oversized fit. Also, a lot of their stuff is all cotton, so it will shrink. So keep that in mind as well. But I loved this green shirt so much. They also had this like pastel blue and like pink and orange, and oh, it was so pretty. I'm kicking myself for not getting it, but maybe I'll pick it up if it's still in store when I go to change the socks. But I loved the long line of this. I think these are perfect for summer when it's really hot and you just need like an oversized, you don't want anything clinging to you. This is just perfect. I think this can look so cute. I tried it on with a pair of white shorts that I ended up not getting. They were kind of cream. I liked them. I felt like they were maybe a little too, I don't know how to explain this. I liked them with this whole outfit, but would I wear them any other way? I don't know. So I was kind of on the fence with those as well, but they did look really cute, and I cuffed them at the bottom, which I thought looked even better. But I was just thinking, would it give me like stumpy looking legs? I was wearing socks with them, so next time when I go, I would probably try them with sneakers and see how I like that look. But I think they were cute, and I also could have gone with an extra small instead of a small. The small was still a little bit big in the waist area, and I feel like they would kind of stretch. So overall though, I love the quality of this shirt. It is a very like thick weighted cotton, and I love this sage stripes on this, like the sage green type of stripe. They have a lot of other colors, but this one was the one I picked, and I got this one in a small. I will leave all my sizes down below because I did kind of vary in size. Their stuff overall though, if you're ordering online, is very oversized. You will see in the clips that I show. But like I said, I think they will shrink a little bit, and I like that oversized fit. So That is the first piece I got. The second piece you will see is, this is a piece I've already washed. This I got in a size large though. This I wanted to be oversized. It's also quite cropped. I wanted to make sure that I was getting length, so I grabbed this in a large. Again, I got this sage color. All of their colors kind of go together, which I really like. I like that about a collection, so it's kind of mix and match. I love that I could wear this over the shoulder. I could wear this on, and I love this. Again, this is just a very thick, weighted, heavy cotton. I believe it's 100% cotton. Yeah, 100% cotton. And then they have, it's kind of got some like ribbing detailing here. It's got a really nice little detail at the neckline. And then on the sleeve, it says, again, embroidered JWA. If your initials are JWA, oh my God, how fun would that be? But this is just such a nice piece. Very weighted, very thick, very warm and cozy, but it is terry cloth inside, so not like fuzzy. But I think this will be a great piece to carry me through the end of winter, but also give like a nice kind of muted pop for spring. This is part of their spring collection, I believe. It's not their winter collection. All right, and then the last top, I did try on a yellow button up. It was an Oxford full length. I believe that one was actually the men's version, but it is what it is. Again, unisex. The only reason I passed on this, first, I loved the color combo. But if I'm really thinking through spring here, spring and summer, I'm not reaching for Oxfords because it is way too hot already. So it's like, if I lived in a place where it was cooler, I probably would have grabbed that just because it makes sense to wear like a bright color, but still like a thicker, heavier fabric. I really did like that a lot. I believe I grabbed a small in that size. So it is a more like bigger size shirt because it is a men's as well. So if you don't have anything like that, I think that blue with the yellow and the white was so classic and pretty, but like I said, I have some yellow button-ups and I didn't need one, plus I felt like that material would just not work for the Texas heat. But this is one that I did get. Now, I know this is also kind of springy sort of colors, but I also think this can be worn in winter. I think blue is kind of a year-round type of thing. I love the coloring on this. The dark blue with the light blue with the white. This is a cropped, boxy type of Oxford, and I surprisingly love these. I'm not normally a cropped type of girl, but I have two cropped ones from Everlane that I wear all the time and love them. And I loved the coloring on this one specifically. So I grabbed this in a size medium. This one specifically is for women. I mean, I guess you could wear a cropped one if you're a man, but this one was specifically designed for women. And you can see, where's the embroidery on this one? Down at the bottom. Very cute, and that has a little pocket detail. I loved this. I thought this would look great with dark jeans, light jeans, everything. For the winter, I feel like dark jeans with a navy blue sweater over the shoulder would be very winterized, and then in the summer with some shorts, or even just like unbuttoned, open, because the cropped fit just looks really nice. I love this so much. Okay, the other top that I tried on was kind of a rugby style top, and they just did not have this in an oversized enough fit for me. They only had a size like small or extra small, I want to say. This was also part of the unisex men's collection, but it was just a little bit too small for me. So I would have probably grabbed this had they had a bigger size. The other ones I didn't love. They had some like cropped type of boxier rugby polos type things for girls, but there was like this cream and yellow one that it looked like it was unintentionally that color, if that makes sense. I wish it was just like white or like yellow, because it had white accents, so I just felt like it looked weird. I didn't even try that one on because I wasn't vibing with the color, but they did have really cute Oxfords. So if you're looking for that, or not Oxfords, rugby polos, if you're looking for that sort of style, they have some really cute ones right now. And all of their prices are so affordable. I got all of this for like $200, I think. 3 pairs of jeans and all of those tops. But let's move on to the jeans, the piece that I was like so excited for. So in the try-on, you can see the first pair of jeans, it wasn't like they were so tight, like it was killing me, but these were a 25, and I knew that I wanted a like oversized slouchy fit. That's what I was going for. I don't have jeans that just kind of sit on my hips that aren't like kind of fitting to my hips. So I wanted jeans that just kind of sat and flowed down, and there was no sort of like compression whatsoever. I wanted that vibe. That's, I feel like, what I was missing out of my jean collection when I really like try on jeans. They fit and I like them, but I wanted more of like that loose baggy fit. but in a structured way that looked good. So that's why I knew I needed to go to store. But so the first pair I tried on was a 25. Again, I would say true to size for sure, but if you want more of an oversized fit, go up at least one size. So I got these in a 27. I'm anywhere between, it depends, 25, 26, 27. It really, those three sizes, depending on what it is, but I knew I liked the 27 fit the best. So I did grab them all in a size 27. So the first pair, these are the medium wash. They have a medium wash, a light wash, and dark wash. And I got them all because I'm obsessed, okay? And these are full length on me personally. These are a 31-inch length. Now that is like my perfect full length inseam for myself. Not too long, not like puddling on the floor, but not just grazing the top of my foot. So cute. Okay, so these are like a true medium wash denim with not a ton of like distress or like, what do I want to say? Like wash details, just a solid, great pair. These are a true straight leg jean through and through. I love these. These remind me a ton of my Everlane slouchy rigid fit jeans that have rips in them, and these just don't have rips. So I love the way these fit. Again, they gape a little bit in the waist, but not really, like they're bigger in the waist, but I like that fit. So yeah, these, perfection. So I did size up. So if you are in between sizes and cannot make it to the store, if you want true to size, go with your true to size, where they'll fit a little more in the waist and a little bit snugger around the hips and the thighs if that's your body shape. It all just like totally depends, but I knew I wanted something that was more flowy. And then I also grabbed the dark wash in these. I should also say that these have the super cute, this is kind of like a bleached look to this with the JW Anderson. I also grabbed these rinse because I only have a pair of rinse jeans that are like a super high-waisted, like flare type of jean that I can wear with heels because they are really long. So I knew I wanted a pair that I could wear with like flats or whatnot. And I actually did wear these to Scott's birthday. So these are a true rinse, and they have the JW Anderson, again, like bleached out of this denim, and I thought it was so cute. So again, these are with a belt. Like I get a lot of gathering if I want to wear a belt with them, but if I'm wanting to wear them more loose and like on the hips, I love the size 27. Again, these are 31 inseam. And then these are the, oh wait, the first ones were the lightest ones I showed you, sorry. These are the more like medium wash, if you can tell. It's kind of, they're similar, but you can, I'm sure you can tell in the camera. These are more of a light wash, and these will fade more with wash. And then these are more of a darker wash. Not a ton of difference, but a little bit of a difference. And then again, the bleached JW Anderson. And I have worn these as well. I think these are like the perfect, just everyday type of jean. These are gonna be great all seasons. I think the lighter ones are gonna be great for the summer, for sure, spring and summer, but love these. I used to have a pair from Everlane in this sort of like blue, indigo, not indigo? Yeah, I don't know. This blue, like bright, brilliant blue. I used to have a pair from Everlane, but it had a rip in it and I'm over the rips. But again, 27, 31, and these fit incredible. So that is it, you guys. That is everything that I picked up for my little Uniqlo try on haul at the mall type of thing. If you guys like these videos, let me know in the comments down below. I think it's kind of fun to show you everything that I've tried on. I also tried on a little like gray canvas jacket, which I thought was so cute. I just feel like I have enough jackets, especially that like kind of chore jacket type of thing for the season and the weather that I live in right now, to be honest with you, that I just didn't need to grab it. But they have like denim in that. They have a ton of really cute colors in that, and they have other things from the JW collection. They've got dresses, some accessories, things like that as well. But I just showed you what I tried on and I loved everything. So if you haven't checked out the Galleria Uniqlo and you live nearby, it's definitely worth a stop. It's very well organized. It's double levels. I also picked up a little shirt for Arlo. They have super cute stuff for kids as well, and men, women. Arlo's winter jackets from there. They have some really good stuff. I also have a winter jacket from there, but anyways, that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed and found this video fun and helpful. And again, sizes are selling out really, really fast online, so check it out if you can. And I know a lot of stores are picked through in terms of merchandise, but the Galleria had really good stock when I was just there this past Friday. So I love you guys so much. Thank y'all for watching, and I'll see you in my next video very, very soon.